Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for July 16 to 31, 2025. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, let us see Virgo. July 16 to 31, 2025. What is the energy? Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. Okay. Meron kang something is going to be revealed, or maaring may malalaman ka about a person's intention sa'yo. Okay. You have the Four of Cups, bottom of the deck. So, maaring meron ditong mga bagay na parang napofrustrate ka sa resulta ng isang bagay na sinimulan mo. This can be a project or relationship na meron kang expectations sa isang tao na yan, or sa isang project na ginagawa mo, trabaho na sinisimulan mo, business na minamanage mo. You have the Hanged Man, the Ten of Wands. Para kasi ang dami mong efforts dito. So, ang dami mong efforts sa relationship, ang dami mong efforts sa trabaho, sa career mo. And you feel like parang ang bagal nung progress. Parang wala nangyayari. Oo. Some of you nagsimula ng parang sobrang excited kayo, that you feel like, oh, this is it. Ito na talaga yung gusto ko. Things like that. But, you realize na parang something is missing. Pwedeng meron kang minamadali. Meron kang mga shortcut na process, na proseso na kailangang pagdaanan talaga sa tamang proseso. Kaya siguro may frustration ka kasi you want to see results right away. Okay? Some of you sa relationship to. Okay? Yung iba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng galing kayo sa isang relationship, natapos, nag-end, tapos biglang meron kang rebound, no? Merong pumasok ka kaagad sa bagong relationship nang hindi ka pa nag-heal from your past. Which is somehow medyo red flag yan. Kasi syempre, kailangan nakapag-move on ka na. Kasi malamang sa alamang, yung mga expectations mo, frustrations mo, pwedeng ma-project mo sa bagong person na you are connecting with. This can also apply sa work, no? Sa trabaho, na umalis ka dun sa toxic na trabaho kasi maaring may bago na opportunity for you. And gusto mo parang yung makita mo agad yung resulta nung sinimulan mo na yon. Now, doon na papasok yung disappointment kasi you are setting a lot of expectations or high expectations. Okay? So, your overall energy naman for the, ngayong second half ng July is the Four of Wands. So, celebration, no? Meron kang mga achievements, meron kang mga dahilan para magsaya, mag-celebrate with your family, with your friends. Some of you, meron kayong nabiling property or importanteng bagay sa buhay mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. Kahit yung tipong nakabili ka ng TV na gusto mo, or gadget, or PSP, or anything na talagang you've been wanting to have, no? At ngayon nakuha mo na. So that is happiness for you. And then your challenge is the Fool. The Fool is about taking risks. Kasi maaring yung iba sa inyo, medyo nag-aalangan kayo na sumugal sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang relationship, sa isang trabaho, business, or any idea na gusto mong subukan. Pwedeng nag-aalangan ka na baka hindi to mag-work, baka hindi maging successful. But I feel like you will still do it, no? But with precaution. Kumbaga mag-iingat ka. You have the opportunity here to know kung sino talaga yung mga kakampi mo. Kung sino talaga yung mga taong dapat mong pagkatiwalaan. Okay? Minsan, sinasabotage din natin yung sarili natin na Yung parang ikaw mismo yung sumisira sa sarili mo, no? Puwedeng unconsciously, hindi ka conscious, hindi ka aware na ikaw rin yung sumisira sa sarili mo. So puwede rin yun na ikaw you are going against your ikaw rin yung pumipigil sa pangarap mo or sa goals mo. So this is something na, mare-realize mo anytime soon, ngayong second half ng July, na kailangan mo ng mag-step up, kailangan mo ng, ayusin yung mindset mo, yung goals mo, and prepare for a new chapter or bagong journey sa buhay mo. Kasi the moment na gawin mo yan, magsusunod-sunod yung mga magagandang bagay na mangyayari sa buhay mo. You will receive a lot of blessings by taking action doon sa mga goals mo. Let's see, money, career, finances. For Virgo. Money, career, finances. Wow, see? The Chariot. You have the Queen of Cups and the Two of Cups. Wow, I see business partnership. Kung ikaw ay nasa linya ng pagnenegosyo, or meron ding contract signing for you na finally magsisimula na yung trabaho na yan. Yung iba sa inyo, you are into arts. Pwedeng kayo ay someone na nasa creative, na finally, eto na, naglalakas loob ka na gawin ang mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, yung related sa yung creative talents, creative skill set. This is also success. So definitely there is going to be success in your career, in your finances, lalo na kung you are going to put your emotions and your love and your care and nurturing doon sa mga ipupurso mo. For example, gusto mo magnegosyo. So, kung ino-nurture mo yan, aalagaan mo, mamahalin ka rin ng negosyo mo na yan, at marami kang mga blessings na makukuha or blessings na darating sa'yo. Okay? Let's see naman sa love life. You have the Seven of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Ace of Cups. So, ito na nga yung bago. Yung iba sa inyo, papasok agad kayo sa isang relationship. Which is, I mean, okay lang din naman kung talagang sa tingin mo sa sarili mo ay naka-move on ka na talaga from your past. Or, kung hindi naman ganun yung sitwasyon mo, tipong matagal na yung last relationship mo, pwede naman kasing energetically, hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Like, for example, kahit 2 years na yung nakakaraan yung last relationship mo, but still, andun pa rin yung grudge mo, yung galit mo sa taong yan. 'Di ba? So, maaring ito yung kailangan mo nang i-release para mabigyan mo ng panibagong oportunidad yung sarili mo na maging bukas sa isang relationship na kung saan may enjoy mo yung feelings na yan, may enjoy mo yung love because you are vibrating in a much higher level, love vibration yung ini-embody mo. Hindi yung parang so much expectations and meron pang mga tira-tira ng energy ng past. 'Di ba? So you are now moving forward, moving to a new direction. Pagdating sa relationship, you are setting boundaries, you are protecting your energies, and with the Ace of Cups here, there is forgiveness, no? So you are forgiving yourself, the person na nagbigay ng trauma sa iyo or pain, sinaktan ka in the past, so you are now ready to receive new love. O, diba? Congrats. If you are in a relationship naman, I think meron kang patatawarin na person. Yung person mo, or this can be someone who is close to you. Kasi kumbaga parang bibigyan mo siya ng chance na patunayan yung sarili niya. Na nagkamali siya, so bigyan mo ng chance. You have Pegasus. So Pegasus is about freedom. Yan. Infinite potential. So you are tapping into your potentials. Whether this is about your career, your business, yung iyong kakayanan, yung iyong abilities. You have the moon. Ayan. So, moon is about your emotions, your feelings, your devotion. So, I think you are going to focus more on the things that you love. Yung mga, let's say, trabaho mo, kung yun yung mahal mo, importante sa'yo, andoon yung attention mo. Kumbaga, commitment. You are going to be committed to the things that you love. And then you also have the root. So, root is yung iyong foundation. So, mas patatatagin mo ang iyong pundasyon. Mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung pangangailangan mo rin. Because this is yourself. This is your stability. No? So, I think mas focus ka rin sa pagkakaroon ng stability financially, no? Sa resources mo, ano ba yung needs mo, ano ba yung needs ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. So, you will be able to provide for them. Let's see what else. Wow! O, diba? Good fortune. Ganda. Pleasure with a close friend. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga ganap with your best friends or close friends na kung saan kayo ay mag-e-enjoy to be together. Pwedeng may mga may mga events, may mga celebration. Okay. It's all in divine order. Allow. Oh, you are on the divine order. How can you relax into the flow and go with the current of life? Wow. So, hindi ko napipigilan. Yung hindi ka na magre-resist sa pagbabago, sa direksyon na tatahakin mo kung saan mas madali, mas magaan yung flow, doon ka. Kasi mahirap yung nagre-resist ka. Kumbaga parang pinipigilan mo rin, binablock mo rin yung mga experiences na dapat mong maranasan na mag-a-align sa iyong purpose at sa iyong destiny. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.